This video is about detecting nation-state cyber attacks with classified threat sensors. My name is Steve Weiss, and this is joint work with Dr. Aloni Cohen and Dr. Amina Asim as part of the Aspen Tech Policy Hub. Private companies are left to defend themselves without access to classified threat intelligence. Private company security logs may capture indicators of compromise from a cyber attack. Examples of indicators include IP addresses, domain names, URLs, or file hashes. Intelligence agencies may know about those indicators or other context, but they can't share them with private companies without leaking that information. What if there were a way for a company to look for classified threats in their own private data? A classified threat sensor would allow a private company to compare classified intelligence with their own private logs without leaking either. We're proposing a solution called CANAREE, which stands for Classified Analysis of Network Attacks in a Restricted Execution Environment. A fundamental building block of this solution is called a secure enclave. A secure enclave is a safe space to run your own software on somebody else's computer. Intel's Software Guard Extensions, or SGX, is one such technology. Our setup will have a classified environment with some classified intelligence, as well as an unclassified environment with some private data. The unclassified environment will have its own private computing resources. These will be enabled with secure enclave technology. There will be an open source project with two components. First is a verification service, which will run in the classified environment. Second is the CANAREE, which will run in the secure enclave. The external verification service will authenticate that the CANAREE is running the correct software. Next, the classified environment will encrypt payloads of intelligence, which can be interpreted by the CANAREE. The encrypted intelligence will be sent directly into the enclave. At this point, the CANAREE can begin to search over the private data. It's able to apply the encrypted intelligence and look for signs of attack. After the search is complete, the CANAREE will return a single bit of information to the classified environment, whether the threat was detected or not. This information is not returned to the private company to prevent them from using the enclave as an oracle to learn threat information. Suppose a threat is detected in the private data. At that point, you'll escalate to a human analyst in the classified environment. That single bit of information would go to a person who would not get any other information about the private environment. They wouldn't know which threat was seen, nor any of the private data itself. This is to prevent information leakage to the classified environment. Finally, the classified analyst will contact an employee of the company where the threat was detected. Because the classified analyst does not know which threat was seen or any of the company's data, they will need to escalate through a human process to decide on the next steps. CANAREE offers a safe space to compare encrypted intelligence with private company security logs. We propose a 5-phase plan to bring this technology to bear. First, we propose the development of an open source proof of concept. To achieve this first phase, we call on industry, academic, and government funding sources to provide $150,000. This money will fund 2 graduate or undergraduate students for 1 semester to develop an open source proof of concept. We'd like to thank our generous supporters who made this work possible through the Aspen Tech Policy Hub. Thank you for watching about CANAREE. If you'd like to learn more, please visit the URL on the screen.